Oh, hello! Happy Tuesday, my ghouls. How are you all doing? I'm doing so wonderful. Today we are doing the most perfect black, autumn-inspired, super dark smoky eye, super dramatic today. When do I not get dramatic? I just love the drama. I'm using my P. Louise eyeshadow base as always. I personally use the shade 0.5. It is almost the lightest one. 0 is white, so I use 0.5. And then I'm taking my Handbook for the Dearly Departed palette from Wicked Sisters, and I am just popping the color Shrunken Heads right in the crease. It's a nice orange shade, and I'm using the shade Sandworms, which is a beautiful mustard color, and I'm placing that as my transition shade. And this is just going to create the most perfect like burnt orange color, and I just kind of go back and forth with the shades. This is what I always do with every look. I go back and forth and keep layering the colors so they come out super pigmented. Right here I'm having some technical difficulties with my eyeshadow stick. Yep, it's not working, but bam, I got it to work. This is the Laura Mercier Caviar eye stick in this color Smoke. It's just a black cream shadow. I'm laying it down as my base for my black shadow. I want the black to be super, super dark. And you know, sometimes black shadows just don't come out as pigmented as you want, or they just don't like stick to the lid. So I always think using a base helps a lot. I'm going in with my Colourpop Smoke Show palette, and I'm just using the black, and I'm packing that on top of the cream to set it and make sure it's as dark as we can possibly get it. I'm then going back in with my orange shade and even mixing a little bit of the black on the brush and just lightly kind of meshing the black and the orange together so we can get that perfect transition. And then I'm going back in with the yellow, and then I go back in with the orange, and then I go back in with the black, and then I go back in with the yellow. It's just literally like, I'm not joking you guys, it's going back and forth with every single color. Using my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner. This is in the color Glam Rock. I'm just placing this all over my whole entire lid. I've used this product in my past 2 videos. You guys, I'm obsessed with these liners. They're just so perfect to go over a cat eye, to create this kind of like smoky look, to cut a crease. Girl, they're good for anything. I love them. So I went ahead and did my base. Yes, ma'am, getting sparkly. And I'm going back in with my Laura Mercier Smoke eyeshadow stick, and I'm just putting that on my lower lash line so we can really begin the process of smoking it out on my lower lash line. I'm going in with the black shadow first, and then again with the orange, and then the mustard color, and then repeating that kind of process over again, probably 2 or 3 times. It seems so meticulous and annoying, and you're probably like, why? But that's just how you get shadows to come out super pigmented and to create these super dramatic looks. I literally go over each color every single look I do, probably 3 or 4 times. Not even gonna lie. It's just how you do it. I'm wiping away the excess powder now that we did the lower lash line, and I'm adding that glitter down there as well, just to, you know, cause glitter, hello, why not? Using the color Afterlife from the Wicked Sisters palette, I'm just spritzing it with a little setting spray, putting it in my inner corner, and also highlighting my brow bone. Guys, this brush is the Lash Fan Brush from Sigma Beauty. I get asked about it all the time because, hello, it's perfect. It's the most perfect brush. Then I am creating that little inner corner point. Even though I don't have winged liner, I still want to do it because it creates the perfect eye shape that I love. Popped in some pumpkin earrings, and now we're going to do the highlight. I'm using my Colourpop Maleficent Super Shock Highlighter. I already told y'all I'm obsessed with these highlighters, so I just go to town with them. Oh, look at that highlight. I literally just go crazy with highlight. You don't have to. I have really dry skin. I want to look like I was dipped in like oil or something. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just having fun, you know? That's what it's all about, guys. Using my Crypt Lashes in style Deceased. Oh, so cute. Look at these. I just want the most drama ever in the world. I just love dramatic makeup. You, of course, can use smaller lashes. Any look I do, guys, you accommodate it to yourself. You don't have to do giant lashes, you know, but that's what I'm going to do because look at them. Wow. Using my Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara, I'm just blending together my natural lashes and my falsies so that you can like tell that these are my natural lashes and they're not falsies. Just kidding, you can tell. This is my favorite lip liner in the world. I use it for every single lipstick, unless I am doing purple lipstick. But for every other color in the world, this is Tuscan from LA Splash Cosmetics. It's my favorite. It's just a brown lip liner. I love using brown for every single lip I do. And I'm using the Wicked Sisters liquid lipstick. Look at how cute the packaging is, 1. And 2, it's in the shade Neitherworld. It's just this really cute orange color, like burnt orange. And it doesn't dry down matte completely. It pretty much is matte, but it still has this like, I don't know, it's just not a dry matte lipstick. It keeps your lips hydrated. I'm using the Apocalyptic Beauty setting spray for the recently deceased to complete this look, and there you have it, baby. Getting spooky. I love this look, I'm so obsessed. This is like my favorite look in the world to do. A smoky eye, orange, pumpkins, glitter, giant lashes. Yes, ma'am. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I am really excited to get into the spooky season. We are getting spooky. I'm already getting spooky. I don't even care. We're getting spooky. And I'm so glad you guys are receiving my YouTube videos so well again. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one.